Check this out, guys. This is the Binderay National Park, and it's 5 o'clock on a Friday afternoon, and I've just decided, you know what, I need to get out in the bush. Just listen to that river. Isn't it beautiful? It's a little bit deeper down around the corner there. I'll take you down and show you in a minute, but it's so quiet. This is actually a river crossing just here. I'll turn around. It kind of goes up a hill over there. I don't exactly know where it goes. And unfortunately this time I'm here, I won't be able to go for a walk up there because I've got to be back to babysit my grandchildren tomorrow morning, which I kind of forgot about. Oops. But so I've just come out for an evening, and it's just beautiful. It's so quiet. Do you ever sort of just think, oh, I just wish the world would stop for a minute and let me off? Well, that's what I was like today. So here I am. The big palm trees up there, the river, and me. So I've just come back up the pathway, and this is another path down towards where it went around the bend. It's quite not much light here in the bushes. But then it comes out into the sunshine, which is lovely. Well, it's not really sunshine because it's quite late in the afternoon. 1st of November. Beautiful. Daylight savings here in New South Wales. So we've got a few more hours of daylight. It's quite a deep pool there. The water's really clear. It's deceiving how deep that is. That'd be probably, I don't know, up to my chest, I guess. And then gets even deeper down there further. That's really quite nice. Actually, the water is really quite nice. It's cold, but I think it's swimmable. Not now, but you know, actually a big rock wall up there. Big palm trees. Just beautiful. What the poor people are doing. Well, the ones that aren't here anyway. Do you ever have afternoons or days where, you know, like today for me, it's just like, oh, I'm just so over it. I messaged my daughter and said, oh, I'm going out bush for the weekend, and you know, and then I'll be back, but because I've got a thing on Monday morning. But I'd forgotten all about the fact that I'd told her only like yesterday that I'd babysit the kids tomorrow. So she said, Mum, you said you'd babysit the kids. And I went, oh, sorry. Yep, okay, I'll be back in the morning then. And I'm just so lucky that I can do that. I can just go somewhere absolutely beautiful and spend a night and regather myself and then go back and spend the day with my grandkids. I was thinking about postponing it and actually bringing them out here tomorrow, and I still may do that. You know, it's only a bit of petrol. It's not that far, so I might do that. And they have been here before. Oh well, my grandson has. I might do that. Bugger it. Probably just need another car seat because my daughter's car's the same as mine, but she wouldn't dream of taking hers where mine goes. Anyway, okay. I'm just going to go and find somewhere to camp for the night. Probably just up the road a little bit. In fact, I might film the drive out. Would you like to come with me? Why not? Why not? Okay. I've got to get a let me turn this around though. I've got to get a phone holder. If somebody has a good idea about what's a good phone holder for that will film the road when I'm driving, but I can also spin it around if I want to film myself, if I've got something important to say. I don't hit anything. There is a toilet here and a little shelter and picnic table. Yeah, so this is the way back out. The creek is on the river is on the left-hand side there. So I'll film them when I'm going back out, but I think I'm just going to camp down near the river tonight, near the river crossing, which is just up here. Shuffle on out and back to where I'm supposed to be in the morning that I forgot about. And it'll be good. Tonight I'm just going to chill out, listen to the birds, amazing birds out here at night time. I've taken another film of, it could be the same river actually, but just a different part of it. Let's check that. And it's just beautiful. It's just the sounds of the river and the birds, and just makes you feel so good. Especially when you've had a crappy day or a crappy week. Well, there's the little river crossing. Not much water there at the moment, which is nice. I'm just going to back down into this little area here. Just on the river rocks. To drive into the river. Would be a good idea. Feels fairly straight. That's pretty good. Right. You generally feel when the car's flat and not uneven. There's nothing worse than trying to sleep and the car's either, you know, your head's downwards or you're going sideways and falling, like rolling out of bed. Anyway, alright, I'm going to just chill out for a little while. I'll get back to you soon. Bye. My house. I'm so lucky. These are the sort of places that everyone should be looking for, places like this. Because, you know, just swimming in that river there is just gorgeous. Last time I was here, I just slothed around in the in the water for ages. Just here is really quite deep in there. There's a whole big, sorry, I'm walking over really rough rocks here, so I'm just watching where I'm going. Yeah, it's really quite deep there. Right up and around there. Beautiful. You can actually get on a lilo or a tire tube and float all the way down from where we just were. I think it's only like a kilometre or something. It's not very far. But there's a small rapids just up there. I can hear them. I can't see them, but I can hear them. So, yeah, it's really quite... Oh, look, there's a little island there. And that's really quite deep there. What everyone else does on a Friday afternoon. I'm well past going to the pub on a Friday afternoon, that's for sure.